Hello friends, welcome again to my channel and I'm back with another prediction video for 6th April 2024 and my predictions for the month of March and February were 100% correct. So if you have also booked your exam on 6th April, you must watch this video till the end. And on 6th April, both academic and general training IELTS exam are going to be conducted. So the overall level of the IELTS exam for GT and for academic is going to be between easy to moderate, except some parts which in some students may find difficulty. So starting with the listening module, first of all, which is same for both academic and for general training students, the listening module is going to be between easy and moderate. The audio will be quite smooth. You can easily find out the answer to each and every question. First of all, discussing the listening section 1. In listening section 1, you may come across sentence completion questions and which will have instructions fill in the blanks with one word and or a number. You should read the instructions very carefully before writing down the answers. So in listening section 1, try scoring 10 on 10. These are very easy. And moving on to the listening section 2, in listening section 2, you may come across some double multiple choice questions along with the map. But matching the information type questions are also important. Moving on to section 3 of IELTS listening, you may come across approximately 5 long single multiple choice questions where you have to mark down the keywords very carefully. You should read the questions before the audio plays. When the speaker says now you have some time to check your answers, don't try checking your answers, just move on to next section 3 as it is the difficult part of the IELTS listening test. So you should read the next questions of section 3. You should read all the multiple choice questions and if possible read them twice so that you can easily find out the answers. And along with the multiple choice questions, you may come across the matching information type questions in listening section 3. And moving on to the listening section 4, again, chances are there you may come across sentence completion with the instructions one word only, right? You have to fill in the blanks with the one word only. And here in section 4, students find the audio little bit fast. The audio is not at all fast. It's just that it is long audio. It is just a lecture given by one speaker and you can say a person. You just have to mark down the subheadings in order to keep the track of the audio so that you don't miss any answer. Try marking down the keywords and mark the word before the blank and the word after the blank so that you can keep the pace with the audio and you don't miss any answer. And the tip here for the listening module is write down all the answers. Don't skip any answer. Don't miss any answer. If you have missed any answer, just do the guesswork. At least write down anything as there is no negative marking in the listening module. So listening is going to be between easy and moderate, and the books recommended for listening IELTS academic and GT are books number 16, 17 and 18 are quite important. But if you have enough time, practice from books 10 to 18. These are important for listening section academic as well as for general training students. So if you want my help, my guidance, I have made a study plan, complete study plan in which you will be given 7 reading samples, full discussion with full discussion, 7 listenings with complete discussions, 7 writing task 1, 7 writing task 2 and 7 IELTS speaking mock test. Along with that, I'll be giving tips, discussions and the best strategies as much as possible so that you can score desired bands in your IELTS exam just with a little economical fees which is very affordable. So if you are interested to opt for the 5 days study plan, just comment me on the comment section below, or you can even drop me a message on my WhatsApp number which is given on the screen. Moving on to the IELTS reading section, IELTS reading module, let's discuss the academic reading first of all. In academic reading section 1, you may come across the question types like sentence completion and true false not given. So try scoring 13 on 13 if you are always unable to score 6 and above. If you are always stuck at 5 or 5.5, You just need to focus on reading section 1, which is always the easiest of all the 3 sections. Try scoring 13 on 13, and if you want the study material, you can just drop a message me on my WhatsApp. I'll provide the complete study material. In IELTS reading academic section 2, in section 2, you may come across the question types like sentence completions and true false. These 2 types are very important. Along with that, there is additional third type in section 2. The third type may vary. It may be multiple choice questions. There may be list of headings. There may be matching the information type questions. So these 3 out of any these 3, you may come across any one question types along with sentence completions and true false not given. So moving on to section 3. In section 3, you may come across question types like matching these statements with the list of people or the list of researchers. These are again very, very important. In matching the information type questions, matching the information again and matching the list of researchers with their statements. These 2 types of questions are again very important. So in section 3 academic, you may come across list of headings, matching the list of researchers with the given statements, along with that sentence completions and yes, no, not given. So the tip here is you should practice matching the information type questions, yes, no, true, false, and fill in the blanks. These 4 types of questions are very important if you are always stuck at 5 or 5.5. And if your target band is 7 or 8 above, you should practice matching the information list of people, true, false, yes, no, sentence completion with box and given options. Along with that, multiple choice questions and list of headings are very, very important. Again, I would like to refer here that I have made a complete study plan, 5-day study plan, in which I will be providing 7 readings, 7 listenings, 7 writing task 1, writing task 2, and 7 IELTS speaking mock test, where I'll be evaluating all the 7 tasks of all the 4 modules, providing you the guidance, discussions of all the 4 modules, giving my best tips and strategies, as I have helped many students for the month of March and February, and they have scored their desired bands. So moving on to the general training reading module. In case of general training reading module, it is going to be from easy to moderate. In section 1, general training reading, you may come across question types like matching the information plus true, false, not given. So these are very, very important. Matching the information are again very, very easy, as the paragraphs are quite small, ranging from 3 to 4 sentences and lines only. So make sure to score 13 on 13 in section 1, general training reading IELTS. Moving on to section 2. In section 2, sentence completion questions are very important. I have already uploaded many videos where I have explained my best strategies and tips on how you can score full in the blanks and sentence completions. Here the tip is marking the words before and the after blank will get you the correct answer 100%. So in moving on to section 3, in section 3, you may come across 3 different types of questions, including the sentence completions, maybe true, false, or yes, no, and the third type of question may vary, ranging from the list of headings, multiple choice questions, and matching the information type questions for reading section 3 general training candidates. Sentence completion and yes, no are important. Along with that, third type may vary, list of headings, multiple choice questions, and matching the information type questions. So you can also enroll for the plan, which is only for 999 rupees, where you'll be getting 7 readings, 7 listening, 7 writing tasks, and 7 full IELTS speaking mock test, evaluation, tips, tricks, and my strategies. Moving on to IELTS writing. In case of IELTS writing 2, in case of academic writing task 2, for academic students, opinion type essays are important. Right? Opinion type essays are important for IELTS academic. And for IELTS general training candidates, writing task 2, discussion type essay and double question type essays, these are very important. And I have uploaded a video where I have given the best tips and the authentic tips certified by the IDP, by which you can score 8 and above in IELTS writing task 2. Moving on to IELTS writing task 1, in case of academic students, you may come across graphs with trends or comparative graphs like line graph, bar chart, table chart, and pie chart. Here I have already uploaded 2 videos regarding common mistakes made by the students and table chart and bar chart. So go through those videos if you are struggling to write a good writing task 1. And map and diagram chart are also very important. For general training students, formal letter is important, but formal and informal, both you should go through both these samples and both these formats. I have uploaded 2 videos regarding sample of formal letter and a sample of informal letter as well. And I will strongly recommend GT students to watch those videos. There are only 2 videos, one for formal, one for informal, and the third video is regarding the tips only which you can follow to score 7 and above in your IELTS writing task 1. I strongly recommend you to watch those videos. Those videos are really going to help you a lot to improve your writing task 1. I guarantee that. So this was all about the reading, listening, and writing modules prediction for 6th April 2024. So in the ending, again, I would like to share that I have already launched a 5-day study plan in which you will be getting 7 readings, 7 listening, 7 writing task 1, 7 writing task 2, and 7 speaking mock test, in which I'll be guiding you, giving you discussions, best tips and strategies, and you will definitely score your desired bands in IELTS exam. So if you like this video, do like this channel, subscribe my channel, and you can also comment your queries, anything in the comment section below. I will more than happy to help you, and your comments motivate me a lot. Your subscription, liking my videos, these motivate me a lot, and I regularly work more hard so that you can score desired bands in your IELTS reading. So subscribe my channel for more daily videos on IELTS. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy.